What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. We're going to be doing an oil change on a Lexus 450. It's a hybrid. You're going to want to take a 14mm and loosen the drain bolt, as I already did. You have your filter back there. You're going to have to use the Toyota cup to get it out. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I got my Toyota cup, and what we've got to do and rotate it till it starts leaking a little bit of oil. Let it drain a bit. While that's draining, take out your drain bolt, let the oil drain, and then you'll be ready to put in the new filter. Alright, so that should be enough until you can get it by hand. Now, let's go ahead and let's drain the oil. I already loosened the bolt up, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so it needs a little bit more turning. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out now. Boom. Alright, let's let that drain for a bit. Prepare your new filter and gasket. Alright, the oil's just about done. As it gets to a small stream like that, go ahead and twist on the bolt by hand and then the rest with a ratchet. Alright, twist the rest with the ratchet. Just like that. Take out the old filter and the old gasket and replace it with the new one. Should look something like that. Give it a little wipe down and you're done. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.